Now it's done. Just lean over your cheek and we will give you that nice gentle kiss onto your cheek. Are you ready? Okay, so it's your turn. Lean over your cheek and go. Hold it. Wow. That was a juicy one. So, Marisa, did you like the kiss? Let's put it this way. If you are going to rate that kiss on the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best kiss you've ever had, what would it be? Well, perfect score, Kai. Good job. So that means Kai's kiss is even better than your special someone. Is your special someone around? No, I think Kai has a message for your special someone, and that's a red and down. Of course, Mama Marisa, just eating. You can now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about a round of applause for our lucky guest? So, Kai, you can now go back to observe Christine and see you in a little while.